Have you ever felt this? You're watching an English video. You understand almost everything. But when someone asks you a simple question like, "How are you?" your mind goes blank. Your mouth freezes. And suddenly, English disappears. If this is you, you're not bad at English. And today, I'll explain exactly why this happens and how to fix it step by step, even if you're an A1 or A2 learner. Before we start, subscribe to our channel. Because on this channel, we learn real, simple English. No pressure, no grammar fear. Just confident spoken English, one step at a time. And make sure you watch till the end, because the final step is what changes everything. First, let me tell you something important. Understanding English and speaking English are two different skills. Yes, really. Understanding is passive. Speaking is active. And most learners practice only one of them. That's why you feel stuck. Now, let's break this problem down simply. Reason number 1. You learned English with your eyes, not your mouth. Think about how you learned English. School books, grammar rules, reading exams, all I work. Very little mouth work. So your brain knows English, but your mouth is untrained. It's like watching gym videos without exercising. You understand the workout, but your body can't do it. Speaking is a muscle skill, and muscles need practice, not knowledge. Reason number 2, you translate in your head. This is a big one. You think like this, your native language, then English, then speak. But speaking needs English to speak translation is slow. Conversation is fast. By the time you translate, the moment is gone, and you stay silent. Fluent speakers don't translate. They respond with ready English phrases. We'll fix this, don't worry. Reason number 3, fear of making mistakes. Let me ask you something honestly. Are you afraid people will laugh, judge, correct you? Most A1, A2 learners stay silent not because they can't speak, but because they want to speak perfectly. Here's the truth. Perfect English doesn't exist. Clear English does. And confidence comes after mistakes, not before. And here is the step-by-step solution. Now listen carefully. These steps work only if you do them, not just watch. Step 1. Stop studying, start repeating. Instead of learning new grammar every day, do this. Pick one short English sentence. For example, I'm going to the market. Now listen to it. Pause. Repeat out loud. Copy the speed. Copy the emotion. Do this 10 times. Not in your head. Out loud. This trains your mouth and brain together. 10 sentences spoken is better than 100 sentences read. Step 2. Use survival English. You don't need big English. You need useful English. Learn ready phrases like, I think so. I'm not sure. Let me try. Can you repeat? These sentences buy you time in conversations. Fluent speakers don't speak fast, they speak smart. Step 3. Speak alone, yes, alone. If you wait for a speaking partner, you'll wait forever. Instead, talk to yourself. Describe your day. Speak while walking. Speak in front of a mirror. Even broken English is okay. Silence is the real enemy. Step 4. 1 sentence per day rule. Here's a rule I love. 1 sentence per day, but spoken confidently. Not 20 sentences. Not perfection. Just 1 sentence. Clear, loud, and confident. This builds habit, confidence, fluency. Slow English, strong English, fluent English. If you understand English but can't speak, you are closer than you think. You don't need talent. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need the right practice. And you're already on the right path. Subscribe to our channel. Like this video if it helped you. Comment 1 English sentence below anything. Because English confidence starts with 1 brave sentence. I'm Emma, and I'll see you in the next video.